everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, this is our first video on our nature channel, which is
The Nature Squad.
Yeah. Today our cast is
Ismail,
the dude and Cole.
and behind the camera is Hudson.
Hey guys.
And we are sadly missing one of our cast members. His name is Nikon. You will be seeing him in other future videos. But today, this is just an intro to our channel, explaining what we do and
Exploring this beautiful place.
yeah, we're gonna be exploring around the area and we're gonna be documenting it and showing it to you guys. And along the way, we'll probably have some videos from gardening from this guy right here.
Yeah, he's like Mr. Gardener.
So you know,
Also, we've just been like building stuff and just doing stuff that we like to do that you guys might be interested in.
exploring this area.
Here, just to give you a look at like what we're looking at here.
And
All right, so yeah,
that's our channel.
All right, please like and subscribe, and if you want to get more videos that you can just pop up on the screen, you can just click the notification bell.